Oh, hey, Peel District School Board. Oh, hey, 21 Division by Bramley City Center. Good attempt trying to get me formed and fuck with my head further. I don't think you guys fucking get it, eh? I see right through your bullshit. I told you I worked in mental health and addictions for 5 years. I told you I've come from the hardest fucking times of my life. And you think you're gonna fucking come for me with this psychological fuckery to make me quiet? Come near me ever again, and I will make sure every single thing is live streamed. Trust me, I broke through the Facebook analytics. I dare you. Try me, and I will give you a formidable performance, okay? Try me one more time. I am very well. You're not. Psychopaths.